Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Powerpuff Girls inspired background. So choose any colors that you want to. Just going to select this purple and this green one. Just going to adjust it. Then on on the second photo, select the heart shape. Like go to mask here, select the heart shape, and I'm just going to make it like super big. You can't see the shape yet, but that's okay because we're going to add more shapes. Copy and paste the purple one and make it slightly smaller than the first one, like this. And then again, copy and paste the other color, and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, it's very hard to, I'm just going to add in another one from here. There you go. And then I'm going to add that one. It's starting to show the shape like of the hearts and stuff. I'm going to copy and paste that one, and it's very hard to like resize it when it's already out of the page. So I'm just going to do another one. I'm going to make it smaller, and I just realized I used two different colors of green, so let me just replace that. There you go. And then I'm going to copy and paste the green one. I'm going to make it smaller than that, and so on and so on. And that is it. It is super simple, very fun to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!